Hello?
Hey John, how you doing today?
Who's this?
This is Carlos. We were in conversation about your property a long time ago, like 6 months ago. We're wrapping up the year, so I just wanted to check in with some of the people that we were working with to see if anything changed, or if you're looking to sell now next year. Or...
No, you know what? I don't know if I told you, Carlos, but I was going through a divorce and things kind of hit the fan, and I'm not sure yet. If you want to call me maybe in February, I'll have more answers, but currently right now, it looks like I'll be keeping the home.
Okay, yeah, that's tough. Sorry to hear that. Yeah, I'll definitely put that in my calendar, and I'll be checking in, and I hope you have a great holidays.
Okay, you too, sir. Thank you for calling.
Thank you, John. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye.
There we go, reviving leads. So that lead right there was from February this year. So it's been about 9 months, 10 months. And obviously, as you guys can hear, he said that shit hit the fan, and now he might be looking to sell next beginning of next year. So I'm gonna put a reminder here in my personal calendar to follow up with him early this year. Whenever they set a date, I usually follow up like 2 weeks or 3 weeks before that, just to make sure that we don't follow up on the date that they say and they're already in contract with somebody else, right? I also put a reminder here in your CRM. CRM is huge when it comes to follow up and keep being organized with your leads.